overall tally of infected patients from the Minuwangoda COVID-19 cluster has increased to 1,591 with the addition of 194 fresh cases today. 145 infections were reported from the Minuwangoda cluster this evening, out of which 48 are from quarantine centres and 97 are close contacts of the factory employees. According to the Ministry of Health, 32 of today's infections were detected from within quarantine centres, while the other 17 are associates of the infected who were placed in self-quarantine. It has taken as little as 9 days for the Minuwangoda COVID-19 cluster to become the biggest seen in the country so far. Only 1,534 infections were confirmed from among those who were repatriated to the island over the last 4 months. Meanwhile, the Chief Medical Officer of Health at the Colombo Municipal Council, Dr. Ruan Vijay Muni, revealed that 7 employees of the Brandix office located in Kolpiti are also among those who have already tested positive for COVID-19.
මේ සියලු දෙනාම කොළඹ නගරයෙන් පිටත පදිංචිකරුවන් ඔවුන් සියලු දෙනාම මේ වන විට රෝහල් කරා යොමු කරලා තියෙන ප්‍රතිකාර සඳහා කාර්යාලය සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම වසා දමා තිබෙනවා. මීට අමතරව ඔක්තෝබර් 6 වෙනිදා සිට මේ දක්වා කොළඹ නගරය තුල පමණක් PCR පරීක්ෂණ 2884ක් සිදු කරනු ලැබුවා. මෙයින් 10 දෙනෙක් පමණයි සාක්ෂාත් වූයේ ටෙස්ට් එක පොසිටිව් බවට. මෙයිනුත් රෝගීන් කොළඹ නගරය තුලින් වාර්තා වෙලා තියෙන්නේ 5 දෙනෙක් පමණයි. ඒ 5 දෙනාගේම මූලාශ්‍රයන් අපි දන්නවා. තැනැත්තියක් ඊයේ දිනේදී දෙමටගොඩ කෙන්ට් පාරෙන් වාර්තා වුණා. එයත් බ්‍රැන්ඩික්ස් ආයතනයේ වැඩ කරන කාන්තාවක්.
Another individual residing at an apartment complex located in Union Place was diagnosed with COVID-19. The patient's family members, however, are not infected. As per health officials, a professional subordinate of the patient is related to an associate of an infected individual from the Minuwangoda cluster. Meanwhile, with an employee of the Brandix factory located in Ratmalana contracting the virus, 3 shops frequented by him in Moragahahena, Horagashandia and Olaboduwa were closed today. Around 20 people from the shops he visited and from 4 neighbouring houses he had links with were also placed in self-quarantine. In another development, a 70-year-old grandmother and her granddaughter living in the area of Viharapalugama in Eliyapattuwa of Anuradhapura are diagnosed with the coronavirus. The mother of the granddaughter is employed at the Brandix factory in Siduwa and had been at the residence from the 6th to the 10th of October. Due to health issues, the grandmother had admitted her granddaughter to the Eliyapattuwa hospital, following which she was transferred to the Anuradhapura Teaching Hospital. The Anuradhapura District Director of Health Services stated that PCR tests revealed both the grandmother as well as the granddaughter to be COVID-19 positive. The PCR test results of the granddaughter's mother, however, is yet to return. In the meantime, the total number of infections emerging from the Katunayaka Free Trade Zone has risen to 67, with 42 more persons testing positive for the virus. Majority among them are accommodated at hostels in the Siduwa area. Out of 220 PCR tests conducted at the Siduwa Health Medical Officers Division yesterday, 34 were confirmed to be infected with the virus. In more developments, although it was reported that 2 employees of a tyre factory in Kalaniya was infected with the virus, the management of the private hospital that conducted the PCR tests reversed their decision. In the meantime, a person who arrived in the island from the Maldives last July had contracted COVID-19 while residing in Velladura in Kahavatta. The individual had also completed his mandatory 14-day quarantine process as well as the 14-day self-isolation process. He was diagnosed with the virus following the PCR test conducted before his return to the Maldives. Meanwhile, police media spokesperson DIG Ajit Rohana says that quarantine curfew will be strictly enforced in the 18 police divisions of the Gampaha district from today. Although pharmacies and shops with essential items were allowed to be open for the public in the last few days, they will not be permitted to remain open for the next 3 days. According to the police media spokesperson, the move has been made considering the prevailing risk of a possible spread.
Lever Ayush Karabu Neti Danta Lepaya Shaktimat Datti Palakata